Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw XDC from XMO to Binance in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will help you move your XDC safely and efficiently. By following along, you'll avoid common pitfalls and get your funds transferred quickly. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both XMO and Binance. You'll need some XDC in your XMO wallet and the exact wallet address from Binance to receive it. Always double-check your addresses to prevent any costly mistakes. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Step 1. Log into your XMO account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to the Wallets, or Funds, section. Find your XDC balance and click on the Withdrawal option. This is where the magic happens, so take a deep breath and proceed carefully. Step 2. In the withdrawal form, select XDC as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. You'll need to enter the amount. Remember to leave some for network fees if applicable. Now, paste in your Binance deposit address. To get this, log into Binance, go to your wallet, select XDC, and copy the address. Pro tip: use the QR code if available for extra accuracy. Step 3. Review the details. Check the amount, address, and any fees displayed. XMO might charge a small withdrawal fee, and the XDC network could add transaction costs, so factor that into your plans. Once everything looks good, confirm the withdrawal. You'll likely need to enable two-factor authentication for security. Don't skip this. After initiating the transfer, it might take a few minutes to an hour for the XDC to appear in your Binance wallet, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your email or XMO notifications for confirmation. A quick word of caution: crypto markets can be volatile, especially by 2025, so always withdraw only what you need and consider using hardware wallets for long-term storage. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the process. There you have it. That's how you withdraw XDC from XMO to Binance in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.